So may we have your interview?
Oh, yeah. Not here. On the panel, please. There's a boat, please. Let's go ahead. आइए चलिए Please don't trouble their kids. वो जो अभी मैं पैनल
Usan je Mishra uwe na kiting shop baju ak ha philm shutia kum ha total dhamal golmal nalor kiwe ulawan poi Nongbah Shillong ha janmit singi thoding ka khatnyau tarik ulber hajar ar phaulai une uting shop ulawan Nongbah Shillong bani shimbenta ha Meghalaya International Film Festival ka balasdang nadu ka khatsau tarik bat ka bankut ha ka khatphra tarik leber hajar ar phaulai
I just walked till it, I don't know.
Welcome, sir. To the Board of Clouds, Shillong.
Commander, sir. Khan.
Wow. Of Meghalaya Filmmakers Association, to please felicitate our honorable guest, Mr. Sanjay Mishra.
Did you come?
Yes.
Good. Cool.
You like the place?
Yeah. Very nice. And this Meghalaya Film Festival, बहुत बेहतर चीज़ है एक नई शुरुआत करने के लिए. It's good. Thank you. Very nice thing. क्यों?
So what will be your suggestion regarding filmmaking?
Suggestion, I don't have anything, but the first time experience, they will get next time more better.
So have you?
I am Shillong weather, she is Bombay weather.
Shillong weather. It's beautiful.
Wow.
It's very beautiful to be here. And so many young faces who see so much interest in films. It's amazing. 2 days and then 2 more days, hopefully.
Will you visit some of the scenic beauty here in Meghalaya?
We are planning to go to see some places. After this, and other things. So we will explore a bit of Meghalaya.
Government सोच रही है अच्छी फिल्मों का तो आगे होगा कोलैबोरेशन और this start कर रहे हैं and first time है best time and I think 10 years के बाद इस फेस्टिवल मेघालय फेस्टिवल का फिल्म फेस्टिवल का एक अपना एक रुपा हुआ because of the weather and everything and लोग आना चाहिए नहीं मतलब अच्छा है लोगों को अच्छा लगता है मेरा काम वेट नहीं what that's thanks I take money for that
We'll give you sir 100.
Yes.
no
Thank you so much, sir, for
Gulmarg
the
scene.
speech. Now let's
Gulmarg
call the
scene.
President of Meghalaya Filmmakers Association to please felicitate our beloved guest this evening. Please, big applause.
thank you I thought कोई huge commander होगा
Madam Loki to Anjali.
We'd like to again felicitate Madam out here, Madam Anjali. Please, our General Secretary.
wow
Welcome both of you to our beloved state, Meghalaya. Welcome.
thank you